Hello everyone. Today I will be talking to you about how to be successful at a networking event. A networking event typically is a gathering of people willing to meet each other. That's as simply as we can put it. And to be successful at a networking event, you have to be confident about yourself. That's the single most important trait that a successful networker can have. Apart from confidence, you must understand that confidence has a source and that typically comes from being very prepared about the event. Advanced preparation, doing your homework always helps. It takes you closer to the event and makes you more aware of whatever you would want to say there, who are the people there, and how you would go about addressing each of them. So to be successful at a networking event, you can broadly look at two issues that you have to address. One is what I call the tactical issues. Two are the strategic issues. I would like to start with the tactical issues first because they seem easy to do and they're easy to replicate and they're easy to get into a habit of doing. Now, tactical issues are stuff like having the name card on the right side of your chest, holding the wine glass on the left side on your left hand so that you have a free right hand for you to give a handshake with whoever you are meeting in the event. Apart from that, it also boils down to you being groomed for the event in terms of your attire, in terms of your presence, in terms of your activeness and curiosity in getting to know people. Apart from these tactical issues, strategic issues addresses questions such as whom do you want to meet at the event? Are you interested in meeting these people? Do you have a short list of executives prepared whom you really want to get to know better? These questions stimulate insightful questions in your mind and actually keep you much more aware and much more active in the process of conversing with these people. Apart from this, listening is a very important tool or a very important step that people usually forget because they are much more focused on them. But you have to realize that networking is all about keeping the other person in the center of the conversation. So you have to play to their ego. Sometimes you might have to connect with them on a personal level. You might have to figure this out on the go. Keeping these two issues in mind and addressing them successfully will make you a successful networker and will probably take you a long way in your professional career as well. Thank you.